Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and S&P 500 price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday for Nasdaq and S&P. We're gonna see what happened, what it might happen next. So basically, today in the live stream, we saw, of course, a potential movement toward the upside, a potential continuation for higher prices with this scenario as several 1-2s here, and we're looking for several 4-5, a 4 and a 5, potentially simply continuation for higher, hitting the all-time high. And yeah, we're moving on, of course, with the market, and we have recovered basically, and we start, of course, to yeah, push higher, right? This is for Nasdaq. Now SPX today in the live stream was moving down, so we're gonna check also what is going on inside it. But before going there, I'm still seeing here a potential for higher prices, 1 2, and then I see potentially wave 3, 4 and a 5. Wave 3, you cannot see it, it has been overshooted, and of course a creation of a gap here, 3 4 5, and therefore finishing a wave 1, and then 2 3 4 5, closing the gap, of course, and then continuation toward the upside. 3 4 and a 5 for the next target, which is a wave 5 here, and which is a wave 3 at the same time in the yellow count. This is the highest possibility right now. Actually, the diagonal that we have before, of course, after hitting this high, I would like to see, of course, continuation toward the downside. This did not happen, right? It did not happen. Everything happened here is very, very corrective. It looks like A, B, and a C, or W, X, and a Y finished already, and then moving simply toward the upside, right? Unless we are, of course, in a wave B and then wave C towards the downside. We're gonna see it over there, but how you can have a wave B with an impulse, right? This is a question. And this is where the things goes, of course, to this scenario where we are in an impulse for a wave 5, of course, 1 2 3 4 5 for a wave 1 2 and then 3 4 5. Let's see the S&P what is doing today, and yeah, still looking for Lord. I don't know what's going on with the S&P. I mean, normally it should follow with Nasdaq, but basically it looks like also not that impulsive as we think. So we might have here a zigzag correction, another zigzag, as we mentioned today in the live stream. So I would like to see anyway this low taken to see the reaction, what is gonna be, because I think the reaction is gonna be an impulse, and this is a deep correction and then moving toward the upside. This is what I believe. I think so, and I think that this alternative scenario still have some possibility here, which is this one, right? We are currently in a wave 4. We did not invalidate yet. I would like to see this taken and then to see the reaction. Are we gonna move for higher here in wave 3 and wave 5 in the white, and finishing the blue wave 3 to continue, of course, for higher later on? So we're gonna see how this is going to unfold, guys. But I cannot really say that also it is very bearish. Now, of course, it looks like very nice bearish scenario, yeah, from this perspective, that we see kind of like an impulse ABC, but still not so aggressive. And the wave 3 is shallow, by the way. What is the wave? I mean, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. The wave 3 is very shallow, yeah. Therefore, I don't see really a great impulse towards the downside, and the things might shift, of course, to be simply corrective, yeah, somehow like this, and then continuation toward the upside. Yep, so basically in overview or in general, I don't see yet, of course, an aggressive move towards the downside on the SPX and Nasdaq. Obviously, we're moving for higher and potentially in an impulse, and already the move towards the downside is very choppy on Nasdaq. So yeah, guys, I don't see yet an aggressive move towards the down. Now, of course, we have to be careful from the news. I don't know what's gonna happen later on today or tomorrow or this week. What's gonna be the reaction regarding the tariffs and so on? That might create something. Yeah, it might affect something. It might put some fuel to the market, maybe turning back over again towards the downside. Nobody knows. we're gonna see. But currently, obviously, that the market is kind of like precautious. Yeah, it is precautious and not so much bearish at the same time. So this is what I see. And I think in Nasdaq, okay, a reaction has been given, kind of just to eliminate any kind of bearish scenario, strong bearish scenario. But currently, this Monday, obviously, that the market is a little bit in precautious, waiting to see what's gonna happen, waiting to see some news and some, yeah, something new regarding the tariffs and the trade wars. So this is the thing. Obviously, we're still waiting, same as for the SPX. All right, let's see what's gonna happen then. Maybe we see some move towards the upside very soon for a wave 5. We're gonna see it in the daily close if that happened anyway. That was it for Nasdaq and SPX, the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.